Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something super useful: how to make a pie chart in Google Sheets for 2025. Pie charts are fantastic for visualizing data proportions, like budget breakdowns or survey results, and Google Sheets makes it easier than ever. Whether you're a student crunching numbers for a project or a pro analyzing business data, this quick guide will have you creating charts in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up Google Sheets on your computer or via the app. If you don't have data yet, start by entering your information into a new sheet. For example, let's say you're tracking fruit sales. In column A, list items like apples, bananas, and oranges, and in column B, enter the corresponding numbers, like 50, 30, and 20. Next, select your data by clicking and dragging over the cells. That means highlighting A1 to B3 in our example. Now, head to the top menu and click on Insert, then select Chart. This opens the chart editor on the right side of your screen. In the chart editor, under the Setup tab, you'll see a drop-down for Chart Type. Scroll down and pick Pie Chart. Voila! Google Sheets will automatically generate a basic pie chart based on your data. But we're not done yet. Let's make it pop. Switch to the Customize tab in the chart editor. Here, you can tweak the chart title, add labels, change colors, and even adjust the font size for better readability. For instance, give your chart a title like Fruit Sales Distribution and pick vibrant colors to make each slice stand out. If you need to, you can also edit the legend or add data labels directly on the slices. Once you're happy with how it looks, you can download it as an image, embed it in a presentation, or share the sheet with others. Pro tip: always double-check your data for accuracy to avoid misleading charts. It's all about clear communication. And there you have it. You've just created a professional-looking pie chart in Google Sheets for 2025. It's that straightforward. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.